it just so happens to be Leah. No coincidence or anything. Not because she likes. Oh. Can you still see it? Not because, you know, she's going out with somebody. Okay. Yeah. Noob. It's a photo tater.
Erica, smile for the camera.
Smile for me, Daddy. There's not very many odds because that's a popular song.
Man, that is a pretty girl.
She sure is. I'd go out with her and then kill her. And then take her boyfriend. Not that, you know, he likes me or anything, because he likes China.
Still recording.
Yeah, I figured that, but I won't put it on MySpace.
You should. He has to send this to me. I'll put it on MySpace.
Oh, no, you will
Oh,
not.
I freaking will.
No, because then he'll see